Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix standby mode not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and standby mode is not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys here you can see the option of standby mode. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys you can see first one option standby, it is turned on. So guys, if it is turned off, then guys you need to turn on it. And guys, after doing this, the last two option is show notifications and show review on tap only and night mode also. So guys, you need to turn on all of these features. So guys, after turning on, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to update your iPhone to iOS 17. So guys, simply you need to click on general, click on update, software update. And guys, if you have not updated your iPhone or using oldest version of iOS, mean 14, 16, then guys you need to update your iPhone to iOS 17, because it works only on iOS 17 and latest iPhone models like iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max or 15. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.